This is the video guide about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site Bihanrit.xyz. The site Bihanrit.xyz is a new dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Bihanrit.xyz tries to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by Bihanrit.xyz, don't trust them. These pop-ups are fake. So leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to fully detect and then eliminate other infections which still might stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your device fully fixed. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.